Okay, hello everyone. This is the screencast for the user dashboards of the eTutor system. We'll be looking at the student dashboard, tutor dashboard, and the admin dashboards. Starting with the student dashboard first, we're logging into Peter Quill's account. As you can see, welcome Peter Quill. And on this dashboard, the student can view their interaction with their tutor for the past 7 days, as you can see here. So this dashboard will show the recent messages, replies, meetings, and uploads for the past 7 days. With the exception of meetings, this will show all meetings for the current day and 7 days in the future, since it wouldn't make sense to show meetings in the past. With interaction, we as a development team decided that interaction would be based on several factors. So messages, replies, meetings, and uploads will be considered to be all forms of interaction between tutor and student, and is what will be used for this interaction feed. So you can see here, recent messages refers to messages received by the student's tutor. So student Peter Quill and their tutor Stephanie Ramdas. So you can see Stephanie Ramdas's message content, the date of the message. And as you can see, this message is sent on the 31st of October, which is within 5 days of today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's within the last 7 days. So you can see that this information will be shown. This as well, this was sent today as part of the test data for demonstration purposes. Same thing for replies, the time, the date, books, just as well. And with the meetings, it will show meetings in the future. So this meeting is actually for tomorrow, as you can see. It won't show meetings from the past. With meetings, the meeting type will be stored as online or offline, but the actual meetings themselves, should they be online, will be done through third-party programs, and should they be offline, be done face-to-face. Then there's recent uploads in the personal tutor. So as a student, you can view uploads from your personal tutor. Again, this uploads for the past 7 days. In fact, this was done today as part of the test data. There's also the consideration of the responsive design. So with all screens used for this system, they all have Bootstrap classes applied to them, which make them scale for smaller devices. Unfortunately, because we use a lot of tables with this, it doesn't scale very well on a mobile device and will cause users to have to scroll horizontally should they want to view something on a smartphone, for instance. But on a tablet, it shouldn't be an issue, and on a desktop, definitely not an issue. So moving on to the tutor dashboard now, you can view Stephanie Ramdas's dashboard. You can view a list of her students, so Jack Sparrow, Adam Jensen, Peter Quill, the student we were just looking at. And similar to the student dashboard, the tutor can view all messages received by the students in the last 7 days. So you can see this was sent today. Replies received in the last 7 days. You can see this was sent on the 31st. Yeah. Upcoming meetings. Again, the 6th tomorrow. Meeting type. And recent uploads in the last 7 days. And of course, upcoming meetings work similar to the upcoming meetings on the student dashboard, where it will only show meetings for today and meetings 7 days in the future. On the tutor dashboard, they also have searching facilities and sorting facilities. So you can search by first name only to pull Peter. You can search by last name only to view Jack, or you can search first name and last name. So if you want to see Adam Jensen, in search that, and it will pull his record. To return table to the original state, just press the reload button, and everything returns to its original state. With the student sorting, you can sort by age, you can sort by gender. You can see, well, everyone's male here, so not much sorting will be done. For age, of course, you can see that student ages will be sorted ascendingly. You can sort by first name, where Adam will be shown first, or you can sort by last name, where of course Adam again will come first, since J comes before Q and S. And for each sort, the table will show what it's being sorted by, ascending, descending, and so on. So reloading the table, and then we can look at the view more details. This is something I overlooked earlier, but we'll look at it now. With view more details, if you click on the link, you can view a student's information. You could view their full information and also some statistics. But Jack Sparrow, we didn't do much with this account. So in the event where a student has made no messages in the last 7 days, received or sent any replies last 7 days, and made no uploads, this is the data that will be shown. But for someone like Peter, for instance, where there is information, you can see his information here. This is all number of messages sent by Peter, messages received by Peter, replies sent by Peter, and number of uploads made with its dates and account at the bottom. So moving away from the tutor dashboard, we'll go on to the admin dashboard now. So logging into SJ, with Sarah Johnson. So the administrator dashboard, we wanted to do a little bit more with it in terms of the sorting and the searching, but we eventually didn't get around to it because of time constraints. So there's just a simple sort. So you can sort by students, you can sort by tutor, and again reload. But with this dashboard, there is some complexity to it. So if you click on view more details, you can view the full details of a student or tutor. Similar to tutor dashboard, um, we wanted to tailor these graphs to be more something suited for the admin, but because of time constraints, we were only able to show basically the same information. However, this detailed view of a person, of a user, allows the admin to view the person's dashboard. So as the admin, you can view Peter Gro's dashboard. Now, but for this dashboard, the consideration for things only shown in the last 7 days wasn't made. We made that consideration a little late in the development, and we didn't transfer it across to the admin view of a dashboard. But for the sake of an administrator, this should be sufficient, and of course this can be fixed in future. So moving back to the dashboard to view a tutor, for instance, you can click on view more details, and you can view all Stephanie's details. Full information, replies, messages sent and received, replies, uploads made, and of course you can view her dashboard. And on this dashboard you have full reign to use, again, all of the searching facilities just as before, and it will allow you to perform searches. It will allow you to reload the tables and so on and so forth. Everything here, basically all the functionality of the tutor system, of the tutor dashboard, is available to the administrator. And similar to the other dashboards, it is also scalable or responsive. Each one is just as responsive, so it should not be a problem for mobile devices, of course with the exception of the tables causing some breaking. So returning back to the original admin dashboard, again you can see everyone here. And that is about it for the dashboards in total. So logging out, and thank you for watching.